Out she goes. What a morning it's been. Finally getting a bait in the water. Third location of the morning. It's been terrible. About 330 metres at this spot. About there.
Turn to home.
Back she comes. Good morning, my name's Jack and welcome back to another Rush Gang fishing episode. I've finally got a bait in the water. It's been an absolute nightmare of a morning. First spot I pulled up to bright and early, there's already a couple of guys fishing there. Bailed on that, pulled up at spot 2, walked right down the beach, dropped the bait with the drone, absolutely loaded with seaweed, unfishable. Jumped back in the ute, I've raced about an hour down the coast now. Finally found a patch that's actually really clear. And as you just seen, I've finally got a bait in the water. So I'm about 4 hours into this fishing mission and I'm finally fishing. It's been a rough morning, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, as you just seen, I've used the Aeroo drone to drop a big slab of Tailor out there. The idea of the video is Tailor the best fishing bait? So I got out on the boat last weekend, out with Scott and Zane from Saltfix. I caught an absolute monster snapper using Tailor as bait, so I'll roll that footage now. Yes, fish on. Oh, that's a good fish. Real good fish. That was on the Tailor fillet. What's going on here? That isn't a jewfish. Like, where's he going?
You got head shake?
Yeah.
Could be a proper snapper, man.
Yeah, it might be a big snapper. I feel like he's come up real high too. Surely not another stingray.
He's got head shakes. Don't curse it on yourself, mate.
Nah, is it a sambo? Maybe.
Potentially, they are around.
I feel like it's coming right up to the surface.
Potentially.
That was a real good run. That's what I wanted this morning.
Will you cry if it is an eagle ray?
I think I'll just watch you guys fish.
Mate, if it's a wobbegong,
curl up in the corner and cry.
if it's a wobbegong, you're out.
It's got to be like a shark.
What was that on? That was on the...
That was on big Tailor fillet.
Wow.
Could be a pinky, eh?
Yeah, it's... I just don't know.
It definitely got a bit of light off you at the start off with, though, didn't it?
It's going hard.
Got a feeling it's going to be a little shark.
Whatever it is, I reckon it's pretty decent.
Oh, I just saw a bit of colour there. It's looking yellow.
What's that, an eagle ray?
I think it might be, eh? I'm seeing it's looking pretty wide.
Oh, don't do that to him, Zane.
Oh, no.
No, it's a big pinky.
Big slop. Big
Oh,
pinky.
is it a...
Give me that, Zane, and you get the net.
Oh, yeah. That is a good pinky.
I got you.
He's too big, I think.
Tell me when you're ready. Oh. Wow.
That was...
You're hard, man.
Yeah, he's a good fish,
He's a good
eh?
one.
Oh, he's a proper big one.
Proper one. That's the best one we've got.
We haven't seen one of those for a long time.
Look at that. The big Tailor fillet.
Fish
Gee whiz. God, he's big, eh?
That's a heavy fish, man.
I really hope he can go back.
That's a very heavy fish.
He is too
He's
big.
too big.
Okay.
Okay.
To the
Measure and then photos.
Yeah.
quick measure, I want to get this fish back. He's a bit too big.
He's 85. 86. Yeah, call him 85.
85.
Wow.
That one there.
Yeah, I got photos.
That's a good fish, man. We haven't seen a good one like that for a long time, eh?
That is a beautiful snapper. I've been struggling this morning. The boys have been catching all the fish. I've been getting the stingrays, the poor Jacksons, all the crappy ones, but then big snappers come in. He's
nice
a beauty.
fish, absolute ripper.
Get him back.
Yeah, he'll go back surely.
He's fresh as. Oh my freaking God, he was not getting off.
Yeah, I got some titles.
Oh, got him. Look, he's got like the big dirty old mouth in there. Like, look at that.
Yep. Maybe swim him for a bit.
Yeah. Send him back. I'm pretty sure he'll be sweet. In pretty shallow water
Does he
here.
feel like he wants to go?
Yeah, I think he does.
Oh yeah. You know they change colour when they
Off he
yeah,
goes.
he's perfect.
Yes, big boy. And now I'm back land based. Big chunk of Tailor on there. I've dropped that out. The only issue is now I've probably only got time for about 2 drops. I actually just got a bite then. My line's just gone loose. Have I got a first drop special here? Let's just get tension on that and see if we can feel anything. Nah, not yet. Not really going to be a fair test of the Tailor, but I would absolutely love to get a big fish on a slab of Tailor land base this morning. Got that one on the boat. Let's see if we can get one land base. As I said, the only issue is going to be very limited time. Bait's out. I'm just going to chill now and hope that goes off. Hoping a big snapper like that last one will pick this up and go 2 for 2 using the Tailor as bait. That's the drone I'm using, the Aeroo Pro. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you want to check out one of these drones. Easily the most affordable fishing drone on the market. Pretty epic bit of kit. For what you pay for it, very good. As always for my drone fishing, I'm running the Assassin Vector drone rod. This thing's an absolute weapon. I just got a bite right then. That's about 2 or 3 little bites I've had. Seems to be fish there. Just need that big one to swallow the bait. Oh, I just got a decent bite. I'm snagged. I don't think there's a fish on there. Damn it. Certainly been one of those mornings. Oh, it's proper snagged. Bugger. Bugger, bugger, bugger. Oh. I'm spewing I didn't come down there first up this morning. I definitely got it wrong. First spot was atrocious and it's absolutely stunning here. I'm just going to give the bait 5 more minutes. Going to cut my losses. I reckon the bait's probably gone. I've had a lot of pickers just picking away at it, so there's a good chance there's no bait on there now. But yeah, we'll give it 5 more minutes, wind it in, and we'll call it a morning if nothing happens. I think that's it for the morning. Spewing I didn't get long at a fish here because it does look really good. I've just ran out of time after pulling up at the wrong spots this morning. It's fishing though, you can't win them all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the snapper off the boat anyway. If you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.